Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jason the Blessed Beardsman here. Thanks for coming by and checking out my channel. On this channel, I do beard product reviews and men's grooming product reviews. And today, we're going to talk about MJC Beard Oil. And they're based out of Southern California, so you're going to want to stay tuned for this review. Before I begin my review, let me invite you to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the new videos as they come out. And just like always, be sure to leave me a comment or a question about this video or anything else beard related, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. MJC Beard Oil Company is a company based out of Southern California. Mario is the owner of this awesome company, and he was very kind in sending me a beard oil to do a review on, so thank you, Mario, for that. Really appreciate your generosity. I really enjoyed this beard oil. It smells great. It worked really nice in my beard, so thank you so much for your kindness there. When I received the product to review, he sent me a very nice business card. I really like the brown label and like the brown business card, like that kind of old school paper bag type look to it. Really cool logo, and you can find him on Instagram and Facebook, and you can find his website, mjcbeardoil.com. Of course, I'll put all of that information down in the description box below so you can get in touch with Mario and MJC Beard Oil. On his website, you will find that he has, I think it's 7 different beard oils that he sells, and they're all $20. He also does a beard oil and a comb, which is a beard oil kit for $26.99, and really awesome combo there. So let me tell you a little bit about the different scents that he has on his website, and then I'll go over do the review on the oil that he sent me. So he has, like I said, 7 different scents combinations on his website. The first one is Citrus Tingle. It's an orange, bergamot, and tea tree. The second one, Man Wood. It's a cedar wood and frankincense. Plain and Simple, which is an unscented beard oil. Sweet Mint, which is a peppermint, orange, and tea tree. Too Sensitive, which is lavender and rosemary. Tree Hugger, cedarwood, and pine needle. Which I imagine if you are really into the woodsy scents, that one seems to be, in my opinion, would be a really good combo. And then the one that he sent me is Orange Bliss, and it smells absolutely fantastic. It's an orange and tea tree scent. So if you watch any of my videos, you know I really like the citrus scents, the lemongrass, the orange, lemon, lime, and I also really like tea tree. So this is like a no-brainer. But all of his combos, all of his scent packages, if you will, or scent combos seem to be really nice. They would all have intrigued me, and it was very difficult to pick one when he asked me which one did I want scent. So really awesome stuff there. I believe each one, according to their website, each one has a different carrier oil kind of base. All right, so let's dive right into the beard oil that Mario sent me, and that is the Orange Bliss. Comes in a 1 ounce bottle, glass, dark amber glass bottle with a reducer limiter type top, the one that you turn over and hit the bottom of the bottle and it comes out. On the one side of the bottle, there's some directions. It says drop a dime size amount of beard oil onto the palm of your hand. Rub the oil between both palms and between your fingers. Apply the oil directly to the skin and work your way through the tip of your beard. Shake well before use and store in a cool, dry place. On the other side, it says be a man and take care of your beard. The ingredients are sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. Also an essential oil blend including orange and tea tree. For external use only, test for allergies before use, and handmade in the United States of America. So really nice label and presentation. Great. I really like the limiter reducer cap I like that one, and this really smells great. Let me show you the color and consistency. It's a pretty clear oil, and I would say it's a medium weight. Smells absolutely fantastic, and it goes in the beard really nice and will leave your beard feeling soft and conditioned and nourished, and really, really awesome product. So Mario, I think you're doing a great job with your products and really enjoyed this. So thank you again for sending me this beard oil. Go ahead and check out their website, which is mjcbeardoil.com, and grab yourself some of their beard oil. Again, this one was the Orange Bliss. It's an orange tea tree scent combo. But they also have a lot of other things on their website, 7 beard oils in all, and they all seem to be really good combos and definitely great products and great ingredients. So again, thank you, Mario, for sending me this beard oil. I really enjoyed it, and you definitely need to check out their products. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the new videos as they come out. And be sure to leave me a comment or question about this video or anything else beard related, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Hope you have a great night and a great week, and until we see you on the next video, stay blessed, stay bearded. Bye-bye.